Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send the fax messages from your Lenovo Tab P11. So at the start we have to open the Play Store. Now look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them here for sure. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Okay, now we have to add permissions to the camera and to the files. And if you want to add first document, click here and choose the source of it. I will pick something from my gallery. You can also select more than one picture. Okay, if you already click import, you can now add this a shaped document. Now you can choose the filter for it and the colors to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. Okay, if you are ready, click accept. Type the number here. Don't forget to choose the country. Optionally you can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, click on this little plus and choose source again. If you want to send the documents from this list, just click here, buy your credits, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.